Right, I was out of the army cat biscuits and I was out of the benevo and waiting on the order to come. Anyway, I had to feed them what I had, which they were like eating quite happily, the army stuff. Anyway, I ran out, so I had to get using some of their vile Tesco stuff. The cats were not impressed. They, for one, didn't like the taste of it, and only sort of, I mixed it in with pumpkin, pureed pure pumpkin, just so that it didn't affect their digestive system too badly. Thankfully, that helped. And then today, I'm nearly out of the pumpkin, so I've got a bit left if I need it. But these guys, it's like they were needing food, and I thought they've got to have something because I don't know when this food that I've ordered is going to turn up. So I went into, I forget what it's called. I've just had a look on the app. Pets for, I don't know, something, yeah. And anyway, I went in there and they've got this, which is called Eura. Insect superfood with oats, beetroot and prebiotics. They have got a small one. They've got a bigger bag, which was like nearly 50 quid. And I thought, oh, I'll try them. I'll get this, which is like in the middle, which was 20. Because I thought, well, I know people are going, oh, that they're obligatory carnivores. And I'm thinking, yeah, but they don't go out and they don't hunt pigs, sheep, chickens and all that. They hunt when they're, if you see a fly, they're after the fly, after a spider, that kind of thing. So I thought, do you know what? This makes a bit of sense, really. So anyway, it says cats need animal protein to thrive, and our grubs are healthier for cats than most meat. They're also one of the most humane and sustainable sources of nutrition on the planet. We've perfectly balanced our recipe with familiar favourites like oats and seaweed, plus joint care and prebiotics. There's absolutely no animal ingredients in this whatsoever. There's no dairy, there's nothing in there, no eggs, nothing that's going to cause any harm to the cats. Our grubs are packed with antioxidants, which have been shown to actively reduce harmful inflammatory and immune response in pets. Our grubs were, as easy to digest as chicken. They're hypoallergenic, novel protein source, and there's no other animal or fish protein or fat in our recipes, so cats are much less likely to be sensitive to Eura. Recognised by vets, healthy fats, great for gut health. Hardly any pet foods are made with humanely farmed meat or fish. We're here to change that. Our grubs are raised and collected to the highest welfare standards of any livestock with the lowest environmental impact. So there's that for you. Yeah. My cats are nearly at 12 months old. The ingredients are, when I can find them, are they on this side? Probably on the other side. Oh, here we go. So you got insects, oats, potatoes, maize gluten, maize brewers, yeast, peas, minerals, linseed, tomato, pomace, vegetable gravy, dried seaweed, chicory, beetroot, carrots, pumpkin, dried parsley, dried kale. There you go. So that's just that, so you can have a little look. So that's that. So there's taurine enriched. We use 100% vegan taurine. There you go. This amino acid is essential for a healthy brain, eyes and heart. 62.5% insect, up to double other insect-based foods. Herbal control in the oats and beetroot. Joint care from glucosamine and whatever that is. Super seaweed, a sustainable superfood packed with vitamins, minerals, folate, calcium. And then there's chicory in there, which is good for gut health. So what I will do is I will incorporate this, I think, sort of as like a treat type thing with what they're eating. And they've absolutely woofed it down. I mean, 1 bowl empty, 2 bowl empty, 3 empty, 4, 5 bowls are virtually empty. So that speaks for itself, really. But I'll be glad when their regular stuff comes in, and then I'm going to incorporate this into it. I can't afford to do this all the while, but I'm going to do this so it's like a treat. So between it all, I'll have very healthy cats. Because I mean, you think about it, if they saw a spider running across the floor, they'd be after it. You can't stop them doing that. Flies, again, they would go for those. So it sort of makes sense, really, to do this. Alright, I shall love and leave. But that's what I've bought from the pet place, Eura. So, there we go.